absolutely beautiful fall morning. So we're gonna play a little hooky today. I think we're gonna take some cars out for drives today. You know, it's not very exciting for people to see, but it's exciting for us to do. But like they say, everything gets worse before it gets better, and this is where I'm going now. We use that Rust-Oleum rust treatment gel. Man, it's just turning whiter and whiter and whiter. So I gotta get a hold of them and find out if that's a problem or if that's some sort of a okay thing. Or is all of this white like acid buildup or something that I have to get off or get out or something. So I'm gonna mess with this. We got some bad weather. This is a bad weather kind of a project deal. We got some bad weather coming tomorrow. So I'll be in the garage here much of the day tomorrow, but today we're gonna pull hot rods out. And we're gonna enjoy the day here a little bit. And clean up some leaves, I think, too. We got leaves back there. Look at that maple making a mess. Too nice of a day. Too nice of a day to be in the garage grinding rust. Not interested. Opting to take this one out for breakfast. So it's pretty cool when you have a choice of cars to take out. I mean, the ones that are running. You know, we have the OG, we have the Hail Mary convertible, and of course we have the LeMans. So we're gonna take this one out for breakfast, and we may take the convertible out for lunch. We're gonna try to have a real good fall day here. And look, don't take it for granted. If you guys have cars like this, take them for a little run, but appreciate what they are and don't stress what they're not. What they are is an opportunity for you to drive something and get yourself back into a time that you don't have to deal with now. You know, if I get in the truck, it's kind of like you think about work. You get in this, you think about, oh, I don't know, in this particular case, you know, we think about drag racing, we think about going to car shows. We did part of the Hot Rod Power Tour years ago with the gold Oldsmobile in this car. Obviously, I drove this car to my wedding, right? So there's all kinds of things that'll, if you allow them to, get into your brain as you're driving them. They're fun. Now, drove this car to my wedding, and now I'm gonna take my 19-year-old daughter out for breakfast in it. So it's very, very, very cool. A lot of work. It's like having horses, man. It's like having horses. You gotta feed them and you gotta care for them even when you don't use them. Sometimes just, you know, hop on the saddle and go for a cruise. Running absolutely great. 160 degrees, 60 pounds of oil pressure. It's got a 1975 Pontiac 400 4-barrel motor. Totally stock. It's got headers and an Edelbrock intake on it. You know, stock cam, blah 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 kind of cam. Nothing hairy at all. It does spin tires very easily. It's got 355s in it. It's not fast, but it's a great driver. And it's running great this morning. I don't have the detent cable hooked up. I'm not quite sure why I haven't hooked it up. Line lock works, the hood tack works. We're at like 2300, 2200, about 45. Great. It's doing absolutely perfectly so far. Let's not jinx it. We got lots going on today, everybody. This car ran great. We just got back from a cruise all around town, and man, I literally can't count. I think it might be 6, 7 thumbs up, people making comments at stoplights and stuff. We've got a party over at the neighbor's house we have to get over to, but we're really gonna do our due diligence here to play with the hot rods this morning, and boom, OG coming out. We'll take this one for a ride, and then next we'll take out the Hail Mary car, and we can have them all three out. Maybe we'll have our own little car show on the front lawn today. How about that? All right, as seen from the cockpit of the OG, I'm gonna show you guys how I start this car after it's been sitting for a while, which it has been sitting for a while. And this is kind of how I start all of them. I put the key in the ignition, and I just crank them without trying to start them. Give them a little crank. I want to see oil pressure come up. Okay? And then when oil pressure comes up, boom, there's that. Great. Give it a couple pumps. Okay. And that's how it starts. This one's got a different attitude than the other ones. Let's pull it outside and see what it's doing. Let's take the old girl for a ride. This might actually be the very last day we get a chance to drive these cars. We got some weather coming in. I think Wednesday they're talking about maybe some wintry mix Tuesday night into Wednesday. And you know what that means? They start spraying that juice on the roads, man, and we're done. Whether it's good weather or not, once they do that, game's over. So let's go take this one out. We'll just have a little bit of fun with this one. You know, do a little bit of a flex. And then we'll pull the convertible out. Why not? Hell yeah, right? Let's do it. Yeah, this is the jam right here. Bit of a challenge because we have so much stuff with not a lot of room, but we don't want to put the cars away yet, let them air out. This is kind of fun stuff. So I had to hook up to the big trailer, and now we're going to pull out the convertible. Oh, look, new scratch on the trailer. That's nice. There it is. So let's get this out, and we'll go for a cruise around town in this one. And then we got to put them all back away, but this is what we build them for. We don't build them to look at them or to store them. Got to take them out and run them. Man, being honest, we don't remember when the last time this car ran. This is the convertible. So let's do my thing. I'm gonna crank it till we see oil pressure. Get a glare over there. Wow, it almost started on its own. Okay, I don't know. I guess the tune-up's pretty good, Alyssa. When was the last time this car ran and it just fired up without me even touching the gas? Okay. So that's how that works. See the nice patina dashboard? So cool, this car is cool as hell. Man, that's cool. It's just sat for, I don't know, a couple of months. It has to be. That's how we do it. All right, we're going to back the truck and trailer up and go for a burn in this bad boy. All right, let's go. Baby girl's going to drive it. Here I come. Baby girl's driving the convertible. Let's go. We're going to go cruising. Okay. All right, light them up. Somebody wave?
No, I just waved. Being nice, being neighborly. Right? I wish it was an open house because I'd love to drive this on my campus.
So why can't you?
Because it's open house.
Oh, it's the chipper. I'm like, what is that noise?
It's the chipper. Should I go this way or should
I don't
I go
know.
Angel?
Go Angels. We're going to get hit by bark.
Okay.